out faster than ever before. As of March 18, 2021, YouTube released a publication saying that over the next several weeks, they will start rolling out a YouTube Short app feature in the US. And for the select few who already have the feature, I'm hearing mixed responses. Some are not so thrilled with the YouTube Short app feature because they're limited to only 15 seconds, and the editing capabilities of its rivals like TikTok, IG Reels, and Snapchat Spotlight. And they're also saying that it doesn't have a large selection of music or features yet, like TikTok. And some just want to edit their videos outside of the YouTube Short editor, and I don't blame them. To land on the short shelf, your videos can still be up to 60 seconds long, and as long as they're vertical and you add the hashtag shorts to the title or the description, you're good to go. And you have the ability to edit your videos as you please. If you're one of the lucky few who already have the feature, let me know what you really think about it in the comments below. Now, before we get started, whether you have the feature yet or not, my suggestion is to try posting within the app and without it. And if you already tried this, comment below and tell me what did better. After all, we all know that YouTube is about quality content. Now let's dive right into my 5 favorite video mobile editing apps that you can start using to spice up those YouTube Shorts. Okay, first I'd like to point out that I am not sponsored by any of these apps or affiliated in any way. I wanted to share these apps with you because these are apps that I already use and I think that you're definitely gonna benefit from them. So let's start off with one of my favorites. This is InShot. Let's go ahead and click on here. And because we are gonna be using these apps to create our own YouTube Shorts, what we wanna do is use the video feature, click on new, and then you have access to your library. And I have a lot of these card videos that I shoot, including some of the videos that I already make for TikTok. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose at least 3 videos for this example. Let's go ahead and choose this one, and this one. Then you click on the green check mark. Once that's done, it's gonna go ahead and load up your video. The next thing you wanna do is we wanna start off by making sure the video is in 9:16 aspect ratio. So let's click on that. That makes it vertical automatically, and we can now use this for YouTube Shorts. So let's click on the check mark. Next, we wanna be able to add music, and these are the kind of options that you have within this app. For example, if you go to the plus tracks that you see here, you click on that and go to the first section, you'll notice that you can extract audio from video. And that's really cool because sometimes you may have a video that already has a cool song that you'd like to use for your video. And all you have to do is click on here, pick the video that has that song, and automatically it'll extract it and add it to your own video. Let's say you already have a song. All you do is just get that song that's already within your phone and just load it up. You can even link your iTunes library to the app. Then you have effects. Effects is pretty cool. Let's say you want to add sound to enhance that video. That can make your video more engaging. Sounds or music give you that extra boost in quality to your videos. You can even add stickers. You have these many options here. Choose whatever works for you. Add GIFs in different categories that you can choose from. You can add text to enhance your video. Change the look and feel. Go to filters, change the color of the video. You can even do really cool effects. That's one of the reasons why I like using this app. Let's say we choose this one here called Ghost. It makes it really blurry. Choose like beats, for example. And you have this really cool selection. I think that it makes sense to go through these, adjust the lighting, your contrast. Just go through these. Once you went ahead and you made your YouTube Shorts, click on this button right here. Save it as a 4K resolution. Change the frames per second. Once you're done with your video, you just download it. It may take some time. If you have enough space, you shouldn't have much trouble. It'll go through right away. Now the video is downloaded, and let's go check to see if it's in our library. And let's see here. Where's my library? I don't even know. Oh, here we go. There it goes. Okay, the next app we're gonna take a look at is called Magisto. Let's take a look at it. You are definitely gonna love this app. With the free version, you can still create cool videos. The first thing we wanna do, click on make a new video. Next, choose the videos that you wanna load up. Let's click on these 3 videos. Notice here it actually told me that I needed to add more videos. It wants to be able to gather enough videos so that I can start the process. Click on next, choose a certain style that we would like. You can choose these different styles. The most trending ones that people are already using. Notice here, some of these have a premium. These are the ones that you would pay for if you wanted to use those. We're gonna pick out a free one. Let's pick this one. So what it's doing right now is that it's picking a certain style. I gather my videos. I can choose multiple songs, and I can even choose by dramatic, energetic. Let's pick something energetic. Pick that one, and then we're gonna click on next. Let's name the video Dodge Ram. Create. Now what it's doing, notice here what it says. It says the movie may take a few minutes. They'll notify me when it's ready. What this app is doing is saving me the time to create any videos. All I have to do is choose the videos that I want to use, choose the theme, choose a song that I like, and it's going to generate a video for me that is edited by its artificial intelligence editor. As you see here, it says your movie is ready. So let's go ahead and play it. Let's see what it did.
Only 9,500 of these trucks were produced, and even fewer of them are available on the market today. This truck can hit 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. Can you guess how fast this truck goes 0 to 60?
Then it's gonna ask if I liked it or not. What we wanna do is we wanna download it. Downloading your movie, it may take a few minutes. Once we've done that, we can now use it for YouTube Shorts. Okay, the next app we're gonna go ahead and take a look at is called Splice. Click on that. This is Splice. Let's go ahead and click on New Project. Click on 3 videos. Click Next. Because we are doing these videos for YouTube Shorts, you want to choose the 9:16 or vertical format. Click on Create. Then it's gonna load these videos that you just went ahead and created. Here we also have the option to add text, add effects, music, overlays, add titles, add additional sounds, and even do voiceovers. One of the reasons why I like this specific app is because it has a very large library of music, and you can choose different themes or genres here. Country, you want something energetic. We're gonna pick energetic in this case. Pick your songs. You can even speed up your video. You can add text, change your font. Let's say I want this font. It has some really nice features. You want to definitely go through some of these. You can even add really cool sounds. And as we talked about it, sounds help you enhance your videos. So again, you can load up your videos, you can add text, add effects, add music, set overlays, add graphic, include really different types of sounds. In this case, we have a large selection of sounds that you can pick from. You can do a voiceover. Right now it's starting to try to do a voiceover and it's recording my voice. I can go into individual clips, add transitions, change the speed of the clip. And then all you have to do once you're done, if you did end up using any of the pro features, it's gonna ask you to get the paid version, and that's how it works. Okay, the next app we're gonna look at might not surprise you, and that is TikTok. So let's go ahead and take a look at TikTok. It has a great editor. You can record up to 60 seconds. You can record 15-second videos. You can even choose templates, set filters, add a beauty filter, change the speed, set a timer, add sounds from their very large library of music. It even tells you some of the most viral songs that people are using. Cool, you also have these really cool options like trending features and stickers that you can use to add to your video. Recreate your videos, save them directly to your camera. You can remove the watermark that comes with TikTok through third-party apps that help you remove those watermarks for your YouTube Shorts. TikTok's editor is very powerful. Okay, now let's take a look at one of my favorites. This is Adobe Rush. Now, what I really like about this app is that it's a almost full-fledged editing software, just like Adobe Premiere Pro. This was created so that you can create high-quality videos on the go. I think they did a really great job. So the first thing we want to do is we want to hit the plus sign, add media, choose from our camera roll. We want to choose the videos that we want to use. This video, and this video. Hit create. Then we have our videos that we can use. Just like the Adobe Premiere version, you have these different layers that you can add. You have these audio layers on the very bottom. You can add graphics, add really cool effects, transitions. They made it really easy for you to be able to create videos on the go. You can change the color of your video. You can even go as far as changing the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, temperature. I can cut my videos, change the speed of the video, make sure to set your ratio to 9:16 for our short videos. This is just a few of the options, and I definitely recommend to go through these. You're gonna have a lot of fun with the editor like this. If you wanna add sounds, all you have to do is click on the audio, choose that one. You can do a voiceover, press here, and automatically it's going to start recording, and it's recording my voice now. So we're going to go ahead and click stop. Just like in Adobe Premiere, you can mute layers. Once you're ready to download the video, you just click on this icon here, click on export. Now you can go back to your camera roll, click on that, and there goes that video. And that's it. It's a really great app. I think you're really gonna enjoy it. And that is how easy it is to use Adobe Rush.